In this video, I will show you how to transpose your data in Google Sheets. There are two ways that you can use. The first one is using the paste special command, and the second one using the transpose function. Let's try to do the first one. To use the paste special command, first let's arrange the range of the data that you want to transpose, like this, and then press Ctrl C, or you can also select the edit and then select copy options here, and then select the area where you want to put the transpose data, like this, and right click, and then select paste special and choose transpose. Or you can also go to edit, paste special, and then select transpose. This is the same thing, okay? This is the first one that you can use to transpose your data. The second method that you can use to transpose your data is by using the transpose function. To use this function, first let's select the cell and press equals and then type transpose, like this. And then select the range of the area that we will transpose. Let's select the A1 to B11, like this. Let's close the parentheses and press enter. Congratulations, the transpose function 100% works, and let's check the data. We have 10 data here that's successfully transposed from column to rows appearance. The main difference between using the paste special method and the function method is that if we change something in the data source like this, let's type new data. The data that is transposed from transpose function is automatically updated. And the data that is transposed from paste special method, it doesn't affect anything, okay? At the here, there's nothing changed in this row, okay? It doesn't affect anything. So if you want to update the data automatically from the data source into the transpose data, you can use transpose function. This transpose function will make you transpose data dynamic. If you want the transpose data doesn't connect it into the data source, you can use paste special method. The paste special method will make your transpose data static. That's it. See you in the next video.